Hey guys, it's Matthew here again from the Skibbereen Food Company. That's right, they call me the Kiwi Culchie apparently. So listen, today we're going to do a lovely summer salad. It's a marinated sirloin salad. Okay, we cut the sirloin in strips and we marinate it with chili and coriander and ginger, soy sauce and honey. Okay, very simple dish but very tasty. So listen, enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and look, it'll be all over my social media platforms from Facebook to LinkedIn and that as well. So listen, see you at the end of the video. Thanks guys. Okay everyone, I've got my sirloin steak that I've cut into strips, okay, and I've taken the fat off, or the sinew around the outside of the sirloin. So the next thing we're going to do is marinate this lovely sirloin strips of steak. But this is a little bit more involved, is that we need to cut everything quite small. And then we place that over it. Okay guys, then we add the chili. We have to cut this up small, and if you don't want it to be spicy, you take out all the seeds, okay? When I say spicy, I mean hot. But also, just one other thing as well, when you're handling chilies, make sure you wash your hands afterwards, because if you go to scratch your eyes, you'll get inflamed eyeballs and it starts hurting, burning. So here we go. I'm just gonna cut this up quite small. I mean, you can do it bigger, but it's quite good to do it into little dice. Cube, should we say? Oh. Now, in the past, some places that I've worked whiz this all together in a processor, but I don't like doing that. I love seeing the shapes of the chili and the work that's gone in by hand, okay? And there you go. Okay guys, we've got to add the ginger. Okay, so obviously peel your ginger. And what I'm going to do is just look, you just slither it again. And this really makes this beef really nice. It's a great combination. It's chili, coriander, honey, and soy sauce, and your ginger obviously. And we just do it in, look, see, it's the same kind of formation as the chili. Chop it up small, okay? Okay guys, so we have our coriander, we have our chili, and we have our ginger, and we're just going to add a little bit of soy sauce. Okay, and then we're going to add our honey, because the soy sauce is honey, are quite salty, and what the honey does is sweeten, it gives it a good balance. And then we're just going to marinate. Okay guys, here's our lovely marinated beef. You can do this the night before, or you can rest for an hour on the day. But look, I'm just getting that pan nice and hot. And we're just, as you can see that, we're just going to put some of that lovely beef in there, bit of the juice as well. And we're just going to saute that off. Okay guys, you can see now that this is cooked through. It's about medium, it could be medium well, but it's lovely sticky consistency, and that's what you want. Okay, so we're going to take this off the heat. We'll just move this out of the way. And we've got our salad all ready here, okay? It's all sorted, and all we do is put our beef on our salad. We might just put a little bit to show the greenery. Okay. And there we have it. It's our chili ginger beef salad. I hope you enjoy it, guys. Hey guys, here we go. This is what it's all about. Let's give the taste test. Amazing. Cooked this plenty of times. Chili ginger beef sirloin salad. Fantastic summer dish. And don't forget your glass of vino, okay? New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc I recommend. So listen, enjoy trying this. It's on my website, www.skibbereenfoodco.com. Don't forget to subscribe, but this will be all. You'll see it through my social media platforms. Thanks a lot. Have a good week, and thanks for watching. See you soon, guys.